sunny morning with a mist on the lake, we load up the boat for our own little escape. The ripples are dancing, the sky is so blue. Just you and me, darling, there's nothing we can't do. Sailing on love, on this beautiful ride, with the wind in our hair. I'm so glad you're by my side. Underneath the sunshine, with your hand in mine, our hearts are forever, just like the stars align. The laughter is echoing as we paddle along. You sing to the water, playing our favorite song, casting out our worries like the fishing lines. In this little boat, everything feels so divine. Sailing on love, on this beautiful ride, with the wind in our hair. I'm so glad you're by my side. Underneath the sunshine, with your hand in mine, our hearts are forever, just like the stars align. As the sun sets softly, painting hues of gold, you lean in closer, and your love is pure and bold. The gentle waves whisper secrets of the night. With you as my captain, everything feels right. So here's to our journey on this shimmering lake. With each little moment, a memory we made. Through the storms and the calm, I'll always hold you near. In this boat of love, there's nothing I will fear. Sailing on love, on this beautiful ride, with the wind in our hair. I'm so glad you're by my side. Underneath the moonlight, with your heart and mine, our souls are forever in this love so fine. So let's drift on the water, where the stars kiss the shore. In this boat of ours, I'll love you more and more. With every wave we dance, and every laugh we share, forever together, nothing could compare.